So, a lot of CapCut Desktop users keep running into that annoying export error. The bar gets stuck, the export fails. Or, it keeps saying network error. And honestly, most of the time, it's not CapCut being broken. It's just the connection between your PC and CapCut servers. So, here's a super simple fix. Using a VPN, you're not bypassing anything or doing anything sketchy. You're just switching your connection to a different server, so CapCut has a more stable path to upload your project. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, which VPN you can grab for free, and how to get your exports working smoothly again. Let's get into it. First, we have to connect our VPN, and I will be using this VPN called Hotspot Shield, so you have to install it on your desktop. To install the VPN, just search Microsoft Store on your PC and open it up. So mine is right here on the taskbar, so I will open it. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, so type Hotspot Shield and press the Enter key. And I recommend this VPN because it's free, safe, and doesn't affect your speed. After searching, you will have two options here, and we are going to use the one on the left side, so click on it to open it. So I have already downloaded it, so for you, just click on the install button, then wait for it to be installed on your desktop. Then when it's done, just open it, and I have a video on how to set up this VPN, and it's very easy and simple. So I will put the link to that video in the description, so check it out. So after setting everything up, you will have this home page, and as you can see, I have connected it before. So let me show you how to connect it, and it's very easy. So come and click on the virtual location button right here at the bottom. Then you will have all the virtual locations you can connect to, but I recommend you use Singapore because it works best for CapCut users. So I will select Singapore right here. Then go back to the home page. Now click on the Connect to VPN button in the center. Then wait for a while for the VPN to be connected, which usually takes a few seconds, and also make sure your PC is connected to the internet. So, as you can see, it is connected and working perfectly. Once the VPN says you're connected, open CapCut again, and load the project you want to export. I'm going to highlight everything and create a compound clip. Now, hit Export and set up your project details, then click on Export. For a lot of users, the export goes through instantly because CapCut finally has a clean connection to work with. If the export still fails, try switching to a different VPN server. Sometimes one region is busy, but another works perfectly. And that's literally it. Super simple, and most people notice the difference right away. And that's it, guys. That's how you can fix those annoying CapCut export errors using a VPN, super easy, free, and it actually works. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future CapCut tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below if you tried this fix and it worked for you, or if you have any other tips for faster exports. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.